Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the grand opening of Paldona by Pulte. Now in this video, we are going to be touring the Barnet floor plan, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abello with Sqft Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. What we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So welcome to the grand opening of Paldona by Pulte Homes. Now we're here at the model homes, which is located in Rainbow and Blue Diamond, but the community itself will be over by Tenaya and Russell. Now the community is going to be about 10 to 15 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and the strip. Now I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. They offer 6 different floor plans guys, all ranging from 1866 square feet all the way up to 3023 square feet, okay, with the base prices ranging from $467,990 all the way up to $560,990. These are all going to be like 2 to 3 story homes. Now guys, when you look at the base price also, just know that it does not come included with the lot premium and the upgrades. Now for the upgrades, they normally put about 10 to 15% in upgrades. For the lot premiums on average are about $6,000 to $10,000, okay? So you could do the calculations. Another important thing to know here is with this community, they're not doing any spec homes. It's gonna be all built from dirt lots, okay? So traditional route, guys, you just pick your lot, pick your model, choose your upgrades, and then pay, add the lot premium, okay? Also important thing to note is HOA. It's $67 a month, you guys. It's going to come included with a mini park. Also, there's going to be 80 homes in the neighborhood. Now, the lot square footage is going to be about 3,200 to 4,200 square feet. The build time is going to be 6 to 7 months, okay? So that's about it, guys. Let's get started with this tour. All right, welcome to the Barnet floor plan. Now, guys, this is a 2-story, 2,046 square feet. Up to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, okay? And the base price is $476,990. Remember guys, when it comes to base prices, like in this community, it's all built from lot up. So, you do have to add the lot premium as well as the upgrades. Now the paver driveway is included as well as the desert landscaping. That's going to be the, well, that's not the sales office, but they might turn this into a sales office. They have like a desk in there, but that's your 2-car garage. Okay guys, so here around the side of the house, you're gonna have your water bib right over here. You're gonna have your gas meter, okay? Also, looks like we have your AC unit. I think that might be for the first floor, and then you have one right over there as well. You guys, there's gonna be your electrical panel. This is gonna be for your pest control, so you could definitely have call this company right here. Now, when framing was up, this company actually made it so they'll plug something in there and it's already tied into like the inside of the house, like in all the wet areas. So this pest control company could actually come in, set that up, so that way it'll be inside, like on the interior side of the walls. Cool, yeah, let's check it out, guys. As soon as we walk in, we're greeted by this 8-foot door. Okay. So we do have this like little split level right when you walk in as well. As soon as you walk up, the ceiling's a little bit higher. So this is going to be the main living area here. So upstairs, you're going to have like your main living room, your kitchen, and then your primary bedroom over there. And then down here, you're going to have like your laundry room. You have like a game room and 2 bedrooms down here. But I think in this option, they upgraded the 2 bedrooms and turned it into a suite. But yeah, let's check it out, guys. Now, the standard type of flooring that you would get, you'd have vinyl all throughout, all in the wet areas. Okay, so that's going to be the bathrooms, the laundry room, the kitchen, and then you also have carpet everywhere else. I think here, I'm not too sure if this is going to would be some kind of tile or if this is also going to be vinyl as well, but the entryway is going to be one of those. Okay, so you got a few steps here. Okay, so to your left, you're going to have your laundry room. Now, washer and dryer is not included. Looks like they also have the optional cabinets right up here. Okay, right here, we're gonna have some storage space for you. Your smart panel box is gonna be right here. So that's where you'd hook up your internet modem and your router. Okay. Okay, so you have some space for linens right there. Here guys, this is gonna be the garage. So I might as well show you this while I'm here. Here's some good information if you're curious about the Pulte. What's the warranty? So you have a 1 year on material and workmanship, 2 year, that's gonna cover the plumbing, electrical, HVAC. 5 year, that's gonna cover like any like water leaks. And then 10 years is gonna be a structural warranty, okay? You also have the tankless water heater, so that is included, as well as like a water softener loop. Okay. Oh, okay. So that AC that we looked at on the side of the house, that's going to be for this right here. Okay. Here's just some information with their insulation here. It's definitely very cool out here, which I love. That's going to be your water shut-off valve, so that's going to control all the water in your house. Okay, not the outside of your house, but just the inside. So guys, remember that it is 8-foot ceilings here. You got 6x7 doors. So take a look at this nice little bar area. Okay, so have your like game room or living room or man cave, whatever you want to do with this. Now, the thing about America West homes, Pulte homes, I'm sorry, like these floor plans, is I noticed they're very good for families, or let's say like your living condition is, you have a family, but you want them to have like separate areas of the home where they could kind of like feel like they're not in the middle of everything. Then Pulte, these floor plans is definitely like a good way, just because it's, for example, like this is a main suite. So right now in this model house, this is like a 2-bedroom. So you have like 1 suite down here, 1 suite upstairs. So, if it was just you living with a roommate, I think this floor plan would be really nice, because this person would have the downstairs, the owner would have the upstairs. Otherwise, what's standard is this would actually be 2 bedrooms right here. So this is a king size bed. Here's the backyard. Again, the backyards, they're going to range between average lot square footage is going to be about 35 to 4,500 square feet. If you turn this into a suite, you will have this large walk-in closet. Okay, so plenty of space. And then you'll have this full bath. So dual sinks. Oh, it has a nice upgraded countertop right here. Okay. Nice upgraded flooring, cabinets, and pulls. Okay, also we got the undermount sinks. Now here's going to be your walk-in shower. So again, if you wanted to cut costs when upgrading, if you can't have this just be a shower tub combo, which would be standard. But if you like the walk-in shower, well, by all means, feel free to upgrade. Now, if you are interested in something like this, or if you're interested in any new build communities, you guys, do me a favor, give me a call. My info is going to be in the description below. or at least let your realtor know that you're interested in a new build community. The one thing that you don't want to do is you don't want to go to a new build community for your very first time by yourself, or even call into the new build community and give them your information, because once they have you registered under them, they won't let you be represented later on. And you definitely want to be represented by an agent, just because our job is simple. We walk you through the process. We hold the builders accountable. We look after your best interests. We make sure you get all the max builder incentives. And lastly, the builders actually pay the agent fees. So definitely a win-win scenario for you. Now, the builder agents do have a fiduciary relationship with the builders. They don't necessarily look after your best interest, okay? But us realtors, we do. So here, guys, I don't know if you want to pause it right here. So this is the standard floor plan. This is downstairs and this is upstairs, okay? So as you can see, originally, you're gonna get a game room. You'll have 2 bedrooms, which is gonna be close to about like 12 by 4 by 11, okay? Or you could upgrade it to the large suite and then have, you know, the full bath, the walk-in closet there. So the only structural upgrade you could do on the second floor is pretty much the electric fireplace by the living room, okay? So here, guys, yeah, again, feel free to pause, especially if you want to know the dimensions of these homes. Okay, guys, look, beautiful upgraded stair rails. Otherwise, the standard is, I believe, just a pony wall. Okay, now as soon as you walk up to the first floor, so you do have the dining room, living room, and you're gonna have your kitchen right over here. Okay. Good sized kitchen, primary bedroom. Okay, check out this balcony. Also another good sized balcony right here. So yeah, if you do enjoy having a balcony, a lot of the Pulte America West plans, they do have the balconies available, both in the front sometimes and in the back of the house. So, okay, so that's a structural upgrade, guys. If you remember on that sheet, that's going to be the electric fireplace. Oh, again, this is also 9-foot ceiling here, okay, on the main floor. So anywhere that they have the kitchen in this Pulte community, you're gonna have the standard 9-foot ceiling. Okay, all these extra lights, these LED lights, you can, well, actually some of those are standard, but if you want those in the bedrooms, for sure, you do have to upgrade into that. Beautiful quartz, Calcutta quartz. Okay, definitely have the upgraded kitchen appliances. You have the KitchenAid here. Refrigerator, again, guys, refrigerator, washer, dryer is not included. Okay, and beautiful dark cabinets. Okay, so this is your pantry, and then you have some extra space right over here. See, not only do they model house have the upgraded Calcutta quartz, but they actually brought it all the way up. So that's going to be the backsplash. In the kitchen, what's standard is you would have the Whirlpool stainless steel appliance package, which we have a Whirlpool dishwasher. The oven would be Whirlpool and the microwave would be Whirlpool. You'd actually have a 36-inch cabinet. So these are 42-inch cabinets. You know, I do recommend the 42-inch cabinets if it could fit in the budget, just because, you know, resale purposes, everyone always loves larger cabinets. And then you'd also have the granite countertop. So that would be standard. And then you'd have like the 4-inch backsplash. So it would come up to right about here, okay? I think mowing faucets, okay? So yeah, you have this matte black right here. That is optional, guys. Beautiful home. This is definitely upgraded. This is a nice KitchenAid oven stovetop. So we're gonna have your powder room right here. So this is gonna be your guest powder room, guest bath, okay? And then welcome to your primary bedroom, guys. So the primary bedroom is here. Let me get you the dimensions actually. 16 by 13. So yeah, also we have a window right over there, window right over here, okay? You also have your Honeywell thermostat right there. Cool. All right, guys, this is the primary bath. So we got the dual sinks. Optional, everything here, guys, is optional. The flooring, cabinets, countertop, the faucets, matte black faucets, as well as this nice walk-in shower. Now, I want to say this walk-in shower is, you know, if you are over 6 feet, then you might have to limbo under this bar right over here. Okay, so this is the walk-in closet. Okay, plenty of space, guys. Well, that's like decent space. Yeah, I mean, if this is, I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Cool, so we have your toilet room. Okay. And that pretty much wraps it up for that floor plan, guys. If you have any questions or if you're curious to know what the builder incentives are, give me a call. Again, my info is going to be in the description below. But until then, I will catch you guys next video.